how to log into YouTube TV. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to open up your browser and then search for YouTube TV. After that, open up the very first link that you will see in the search bar, and you can also open it up on your device or mobile device basically by just going to the Play Store and getting the app of YouTube TV. But on browser, just simply search for it, and after that, this is where it will lead you to. Now over here, you can either try it for free, or in case if you want to sign in, just simply click over here on the option of sign in. After that, it will provide a list of your accounts over here. You can select any of the account in order to log into your account, and in case if you want to log in using another account which is not listed over here, just simply click on this option of use another account and provide the details of that particular account, and you will be able to log into your account. And when you sign in using your already existing account, it gives you a 20-minute free with no commitments. You can just simply preview the YouTube TV, and after that you can start the free trial if you want to. So just close it up and check it out, and this is how you sign in on YouTube TV. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.